Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to create Sephora account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in sephora.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Sephora. Instead of that, you can also open the application if you want. So if you want to create the account, over here you'll be able to find sign in. If you hover over it, you'll be able to find two options: sign in, create account. Simply click on the option create account. Now you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. You'll be able to create the account with your email address. So click on the field of email address. Now provide your email address over here. After doing that, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to fill in some details. What you have to do is enter the first name, last name and set up a password for yourself. Also, you'll have to give them the phone number and your date of birth. So first of all, enter your first name. Now enter your last name. Email address will already be written. Now what you have to do is create a very strong password for yourself. Your password must be between 6 to 12 characters. Now after creating the password, provide your phone number. Simply enter your phone number over here. Now after doing that, what you have to do is scroll down a bit. Now over here, you'll have to select the date of birth. First of all, select the month. Now select the day. You can also enter the zip or postal code if you want. Scroll down. Now click on the option join now that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your account has already been created. Now you'll have to answer the few questions. You can also skip the question if you want. Right now I'm just going to skip this question. Likewise, answer the question if you want, otherwise skip it. Now you can see over here your Sephora account has been created. So that is how you create Sephora account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.